好，欢迎来到我的频道。Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Kaka. 我是佳佳老师。你们的春节过得怎么样 ？How's your Spring Festival? Did you enjoy? 你吃了什么好吃的？ Today, we will start a new book to learn about Chinese culture from another perspective. Do you still remember the previous video on winter solstice, one of the 24 solar terms? As our Chinese New Year just started, it's the best timing to start our reading on 24 solar terms from the very first one. Before starting reading, let's make sure we all know what 24 solar terms are. 24 solar terms, 24节气 were adopted in ancient times to serve as a supplementary calendar for guiding agricultural activities. The formulation of 24 solar terms mainly took account of the climatic conditions of Yellow River Valley. It's the first solar term today. Let's start our reading right away. The reader is 我们的节气 compiled by Yang Yang Tu, published by 泰山出版社. As the name implies, 24节气 there are 24 solar terms. 一年有四季 There are 4 seasons in a year. 春 spring, 夏 summer, 秋 autumn, 冬 winter. There are 6 solar terms in each season, 2 for each month. 今天是立春，立开始 to start. 春 of course it's 春天 spring. So 立春 indicates the spring starts. 每年立春都在2月3、4或5日。立春 is usually on February the 3rd, the 4th, or the 5th. 今天是2月4日，所以今年立春在2月4日。This year, 立春 falls on February the 4th. 立春是24节气中的第一个节气，也是春天的第一个节气。D is used before numbers to indicate ordinal numbers. 立春 is the first solar term of 24 solar terms, as well as the first solar term of the spring. 立春，立是开始的意思，立春就标志着春天到了。标志 to mark. 立 means to start, the beginning. So 立春 is marked as the coming of the spring. 俗话说一年之计在于春。俗话 saying 之 actually is the, which came from ancient Chinese. 计划 plan. 于 means 在. As the saying goes, the plan of a year needs to start in spring. 立春以后，天地之间出现生机，人们的心情也舒畅愉快。之间 in between, 天地之间 literally it's in between the sky and the earth, actually indicating all over the place. 出 first, 现出现 to appear, 生机 life. After 立春 it starts bursting into life everywhere. 心情 mood 舒畅 entirely free from worry. So after 立春 it starts bursting into life everywhere, and people feel happy and cheerful. Now we all know what 立春 is. Then what custom do we have? Actually, there are 2. 边春 and yaochun. 边春 又称边春牛 边 to whip. So 边春 literally means to whip the spring. 称 to call. 边春 whipping the spring is also called 边春牛 whipping the spring buffalo. What on earth does it mean? Let's carry on to get into it. 立春以后，天气回暖，农民要及时春耕。回暖 to get warm again, 及时 timely, 耕 to plow. After 立春 it's getting warm, and farmers need to start the spring plowing timely. 古时每到立春，人们就会用泥塑一个春牛，然后由人扮成春神，用树枝鞭打春牛。每到 whenever, 泥 clay, 塑 to mold. 由 the preposition used to introduce the person who does the action, can be translated into by 春神 spring god, 扮成 to dress up as, 树枝 twig. In the ancient times, whenever it's 立春, people would mold a spring buffalo. Then the spring god, acted by people, would whip the spring buffalo. 提醒 to remind. 抓紧 hurry up. 务农 to be engaged in agriculture. So whipping the spring buffalo is to remind everyone of starting spring plow and in a hurry to be engaged in agricultural stuff. The second custom, yaochun, yao to bite, yaochun to bite the spring. Let's take a look at how we bite the spring. 立春这天，人们要吃新鲜的白萝卜，还有裹着蔬菜的春饼或春卷等，俗称yaochun春，新鲜 fresh, 萝卜 radish. On the day of 立春, people would eat fresh radish, 果 to wrap, 蔬菜 veggies, 饼 pancake, chunbing the pancake for Lichun, chunjuan, spring roll. Souchun, commonly known as hai, which is usually translated into also by mistake. It actually means furthermore, to add more to the statement. So other than radish, furthermore, people would eat spring pancakes or spring rolls which wrap veggies in, commonly known as yaochun. It means people would eat the seasonal food on Lichun. Is it still cold in your city? What about have some spring food, chunbing or chunjuan to feel the spring? Do you like this video? If so, please like it and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell for notification. 谢谢观看，再见。